Let's see, today we'll learn about Perceptron. It's a very important key to learn deep learning, right? So what is Perceptron? It is basically an algorithm which is used in supervised ML machine learning, and it's like a mathematical model, right? So it's a basic the model looks like this. So you see, this is like inputs of a perceptron node. This is a perceptron node, right? What this node do, it sums whatever is giving. It will be summing all those things. So we're giving here W1 as a node weight 1 and W2 is weight 2. But we are giving two input. Let's say it is x2 and it is x1 input, and there is one bias. So what it will do, it will add those things, and it will give the second layer as jet as input, and this activation function will decide whether this output is okay or not, right? What this activation function will do, it will put z in a range, like say -1 to 1. Let's say your output of z is in the range of something acceptable, range of 10 to 20, which is greater than 0. Then this activation function will put this z into one category. See, so this 10 to 20 will be converted to 1, and if it is less than 0, then it will convert it into a -1 category. So it will go into a 1 to -1 range. So let's say we'll put an example here. So there are actually 2 or 3 activation function you can remember. One is ReLU and one is 10H, and many others are there. So we'll take an example. Let's see, you want to play a game, and you have CPU and RAM as parameters. So you have 2 core CPU and 4 core CPU and RAM 1, 2 GB. So we'll give 2 CPU as x1 and CPU RAM as x2. So on these things of your model, this summation function will calculate this whole thing, and if it is greater than 0, then the game will run. Okay, even the so every time when you in the training phase, it will determine what will be the weights, right? The weights will change, and based on that, it can predict the game will go on or not.